I start with a circle and draw a foundation horizontal line, a vertical central axis, nose baseline, eye baseline, rough eye sockets. Let's draw jawline and curvature around mouth corner. Loop representing chin, bottom lip, three loops for nose, tip and wing. Now connect the wings corner to the corner of the eye. Cross where iris will be positioned. Parallel line for upper eyelid. Outlines of the eyes. Now the eyebrows on the foundation horizontal line, then triangular T-zone of the face, which aligns with the nose, wings, eyeballs and eyebrows tails. Let's connect the inner edges of the irises to the corner of the mouth called oral commissures. Draw the opening of mouth, upper lower lip, nose bridge and the nostrils and philtrum, the lower eyelid and the volume of hair, then the ears and features of ear helix. Now I will erase the axis guidelines. And start the base layer of shadings. Starting with darker shades of the face like nostril, opening of mouth, oral commissures, bottom of chin, eye helix and hair, eyebrows, eye corners and iris with a darker pencil shade. Then cover the mid-tones with a comparative lighter shades of pencil. Please refer to the subtext on the side and the picture of the material. I will be using the lighter shades of pencil respectively to the tones of the highlight areas of the face. Here I am roughly hatching for the first layer of the face. Then after covering the first layer all over the head, I will be blending gently with a paper towel. Here I am blending gently with a paper towel until the first layer is smooth. Then move towards the second layer. Here I am repeating the same process, first covering the darkest tone of the head. But I will be changing different shades of pencil back and forth. So please follow the guideline images and subtext mentioned next to the right side of the drawing.